Hi students, today we can learn about order by clause. Order by clause is used to sort the results in ascending or descending order on the basis of one or more columns. That is, whenever it is required to display the result in sorted manner on the basis of any column, then we can use the order by clause. Here the syntax is select column list from table name where condition order by column names ASC or DESC. Here the where clause is optional. Now depending on the requirement, we may have to use these two keywords ASC or DESC. That is, if the result has to be ordered in ascending order, that is from lowest value to highest value, then we will use this ASC keyword. And if it has to be ordered in descending order, that is highest value to lowest value, then we will use this DESC keyword. Also, if you don't use any of the keyword, then by default it will be in ascending order, that is in the increasing order. Okay. Let's see some example, then we can easily understand this order by clause. Example, display the details of account number, customer name and loan amount sorted by loan amount. Okay. So the result would return in ascending order of loan amount. Now we can check how to write the query. We have a table loan account with the 6 attributes. So our question is to display the details of account number, customer name and loan amount sorted by loan amount. So we can write the query as select account number, comma, customer name, comma, loan amount from loan account order by loan amount. So here we are not specifying ascending or descending. Then by default it will be sorted in ascending order, that is from lowest value to highest value. The same will return when you specify column with the ascending keyword ASC. We can check it here. Also this SQL server treats null as the lowest value. Okay. Now we can check one example for descending order. Here instead of loan amount, just replacing customer name column with the descending keyword DESC. Okay. So we can see the output returned in descending order of customer name. Also we can apply some restrictions to display the result. That is, we can apply some conditions. So we can change this query. So we can add one where clause between this from and order by. So where loan amount greater than equal to 5 lakh. So the output is C. Now we have only 4 rows. So we can place this where clause before the order by clause. This is the answer for the first question. Now we can check the second question. Display the details of all loans in the ascending order of their loan amount and within that loan amount sort in descending order of customer name. We can specify ascending or descending for multiple columns in a single query. So we can write select star from loan account order by loan amount ASC, comma, customer name DESC. On the basis of loan amount, first it will sort in ascending order, then within that sorted list again it will sort in descending order of name. Here we can see the first order by clause sort in loan amount ascending order. Then there is one more column to sort in descending order, that is the customer name. So the second sort will applicable only for the same values of loan amount. Here the loan amount is same for two customers, that is loan amount is same for Jane and Akshay. Okay. So this customer names will be sorted in descending order of first alphabet. So this Jane, after that Akshay. So again we can check the next 5 lakh and 6 lakh. Here the second sorting is not applicable. So the next value is same amount, loan amount, that is 8 lakh for Shreya and Madhav. So this name will sort in descending order. Here we can change the ascending order and descending order. See, customer name in DESC. That is, the loan amount will be sorted in descending order. We can see that loan amount is in descending order and the customer name will be in ascending order only for those who have the same loan amount. We can see here for 8 lakh Madhav and Shreya in ascending order. So next 6 lakh, 5 lakh, no change. Then there is again same amount for 3 lakh. So Akshay and Jane is in again ascending order.